In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly delete voices from My Voices in ElevenLabs. If you're cleaning up your voice library or removing test voices you no longer need, this process is quick and straightforward. We'll walk through it carefully so you know exactly what to expect at each step and you don't accidentally remove the wrong item. Start by logging in at ElevenLabs.io. Once you're signed in, you'll be on your dashboard. Take a second to confirm you're in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. A stable internet connection helps ensure that changes apply right away. Next, navigate to the area where your saved voices live. Depending on your interface, you'll either see a VoiceLab section or a My Voices section. Both lead you to the same place, the list of voices you've created or saved. Click into that section to open your library. Now, locate the specific voice you want to delete. Scan the list and double-check the voice name and any details you've added so you're absolutely certain it's the correct one. Because deletion is permanent, it's worth pausing for a moment here to verify you're removing the right voice. When you've identified the voice, look for the three-dot menu icon next to it. This icon is usually a small vertical ellipsis, and it opens a compact menu of actions related to that voice. Click it to reveal your options. From the drop-down that appears, choose Delete Voice. This selects the removal action but doesn't complete it yet. You'll still have a chance to confirm, which is helpful in case you clicked the wrong item by mistake. A confirmation prompt will appear asking you to verify the deletion. Read the message carefully so you understand that this action can't be undone. If you're confident, go ahead and confirm. If not, simply cancel and you'll return to your list without making any changes. After you confirm, the voice will be permanently removed from My Voices. It should disappear from the list right away. If your page takes a moment to update, that's normal. Once it refreshes, the voice will no longer be visible in your library. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a voice from My Voices in ElevenLabs. To recap, you log in, go to VoiceLab or My Voices, locate the right voice, open the three-dot menu, select Delete Voice, and confirm. Keep in mind that deletion is final. So, always verify before you confirm. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your voice library neat and organized.